Hi folks, welcome back to our channel where we give you all the tips and tricks for all your remodeling needs. I'm Joe Ferranti Gennaro.
And I'm Delina Novak. And today we're going to talk about the trending designs on showers and curbless showers and where we want to put the valves.
Okay.
We had a couple questions.
Yeah, so your first one was about curbless showers?
Yes. So we went into a home the other day and she said, I don't want to step over into my shower anymore. She wants to know if she can just walk right into it, or if she ever had to have a wheelchair, if she'd just be able to roll into it. And so again, I told her I'd come and ask you.
All right, well that is one of the biggest demand is for curbless roll-in showers.
Mm-hmm.
If the customer is looking to not have to step over a curb,
Mm-hmm.
you know, the curbs are about 5 to 6 inches height most of the times. If it's on the first floor in Florida, we're in Tampa, if the remodeling project is in Florida, on the first floor we have concrete slabs. And we can remove a section of the slab and re-pour it 4 inches lower, and then move the plumbing to a line where we pour the mortar bed where it'll all come up to the existing bathroom concrete floor.
Mm-hmm.
And with that, when we tile everything, we just pitch it to drain back into the shower, and that gives you this curbless roll-in shower.
Roll right in.
Roll right
smooth,
in. Yes.
Yeah, smooth entry.
If the you could also call it a beach entry.
Mm-hmm.
It kind of sounds nice when
Yeah.
you just slide right
Yeah.
into it like in a beach. So that's one of the biggest trends in remodeling is a curbless shower. Also with those, we also put in a valve closer to the entry because when we're redesigning a shower, a lot of shower valves are right underneath the head, and you turn it on and you get wet.
Right.
So you're kind of trying to do one of these numbers where you're turning the valve on and dancing out of the cold water. So we try to locate the valve closer to the entry. So that is one of the biggest design trends is to move that valve closer to the entry of the shower. Put the head down at the far end. Also, a lot of people either want 2 shower heads, maybe like a handheld and a shower head. Have you seen like one of the jobs we just did had a shower column? Did you see that?
Yes, the column down the middle of the...
Yeah, so it had like a rain can head.
The valve column, right?
Yes.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
And it had a whole bunch of different...
Yeah, so
options.
that shower, it has a rain can head and then an exposed arm, and a handheld sits on that also, and an inverter on it so you can pick what you want to come on.
Right, like a spa.
Yeah, almost like a vertical spa.
Exactly.
Yeah. So the shower columns are really a big part of the design trends, the curbless showers, and then you've probably been seeing a lot of shampoo recesses. So again, a lot of people have product, a lot of hair soap and different body washes and stuff, and a place to store them. So we usually put niches inside the walls and set those products in there.
And
Like a niche or a recess, then lastly, I would say grab bars are a big part of, everybody kind of thinks of like the old grab bars that like in a hospital that don't look very good, but most of your plumbing fixtures nowadays, they match the plumbing fixtures, and the grab bars would match each other. So you would have the style of the grab bar.
And the color, like if
and
it's
the
gold,
color.
you can have a gold grab bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty. It's nice.
Yeah, and speaking of that, the brushed brass is a hot color
It is.
trend.
I know.
Yes.
It's like every bathroom now. It's pretty. I actually like it.
It's beautiful.
At first I was like, no way, but now I'm like, I like that a lot.
Well, the old color was bright brass, polished brass. That's definitely not in. But the brushed, kind of muted, matte finish brass, that really looks good with a lot of different...
And I don't know if we have time, but you know what else I wanted to talk about was the, now that you mentioned the grab bars, was the freestanding little seats, the little chairs that you can put inside there. Also for people that maybe that have a wheelchair, they have like a little chair, mounted chair.
So maybe like a flip-up seat?
Yes.
Yeah. So we do a lot of corner seats. Our corner seats that we usually install when we're doing some bathroom remodeling is a floating seat. We have an aluminum pan that we bolt to the wall. We pour it with concrete, we waterproof it, and we tile it. So it really doesn't take up any of the walking space in the shower.
Or they could still fit in.
They can still fit in,
Yeah.
roll in with
Yeah.
if they need to with a wheelchair or
Yeah.
whatever, a walker. They also make flip up seats, so we can, a lot of times if a shower doesn't have room for one of those,
Right.
we do a flip up seat. But I will say, how do you shave your legs in the shower?
Yes.
You do? Okay. It's amazing. Like, I'd say 7, 8 out of 10 jobs that I go to, I am asked about, can I get somewhere in the design a way for me to be able to shave my legs in the shower?
Because you don't
So-
want the water pouring on your head.
Yeah. So a corner seat, put your leg on that.
Yes.
But we've also built down a foot off the shower floor. We've built little tiny recesses like this.
Like you put your leg on?
Put your leg into.
I want that.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, you would think that maybe a lot of people think, oh, I'm the only person thinking of this.
You know.
And it turns out like it's like one of our biggest requests is I need something in the shower that I can put my foot up
And
on.
hide my stuff.
Hide my stuff
Yeah,
and
that's exactly right.
and put a recess or something so I can put my foot on it and shave my legs.
Correct.
So yeah, that's a very big design trend.
Yeah, that is. I
That's-
mean, I've been seeing it.
Yeah.
Not the little step stool.
Yeah, not the
but-
little recess.
But a nice
Yeah.
bench or definitely the corner.
But it looks just like a shampoo recess. It's just, a foot off the floor.
Just put your foot in
Just enough to put your foot into, maybe 16
I
inches
like
off
that.
the floor. Yeah, kind of neat. All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe. And if you want more information, please go to tampakitchenandbath.com.
Goodbye.